So basically in this package I have a new watch. It's very cheap from eBay. Rip it open and let's do this unboxing. This isn't a smartwatch like the previous one, this is just a normal digital analog watch. And there we go. Just like that, it comes in the packaging like that, so quite a fantastic thing. Take it out from the back, you got the little brand there. If I turn it that way, so that's the brand of the watch. Okay, you get your little instruction booklet as well. So there you go, you do have the English instruction manual there. Okay, so let me go ahead and set this watch. So I've now got the watch set up. As you can see, it looks quite nice. Obviously got the silver. This doesn't actually turn, even though it looks like it wants to, but it doesn't. Obviously you got your 4 buttons there. This one's the light one. You got an alarm and 2 other buttons there. Puts that in as well so it doesn't change at all. But yeah, it's pretty straightforward. In terms of price wise, this is not a very expensive watch at all. This costs £15 I've got from eBay, so you know, very cheap price. If you're looking for like a watch of either digital analog, just one of them, you can get a price for one of these on eBay. They'll probably last you about a year. So if you're not after like an expensive watch, I'd probably say go for one of them. Everything's on it that you want. Yeah, it's quite nice in terms of design. Like I said, I really want to move that, but it won't. But yeah, let me know your guys' thoughts on this watch in the comment section below. If you've liked this video today, always remember to please like, subscribe, and share. This has been Ignite Oscar.